Guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we're going to be making a berry brunch. So let's get into the video. Before I get started, I want to start by mentioning that this video is a collaboration with Flourishing Every Day here on YouTube. We will both be sharing some delicious brunch recipes, so definitely check out her video. The link will be down below. First, we're going to start off by mixing our dry ingredients. As always, all the ingredients and measurements will be down below. Then we're going to mix our wet ingredients and give that a good mix. I'm going to make a hole in the center of my dry ingredients and then pour the wet in and mix everything around. Please don't over mix your pancake mix. It is tempting, but don't do it. Now it's time to fry your pancakes. I will start by putting some butter in the pan. You can put whatever butter you like, and I'll just spread it around. I'm going to take about 1/3 cup of the mix and pour it in the frying pan. I'll let it cook on both sides for a few minutes. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see it starts to turn a little brown and bubbles start to form on the edge of the pancake. I'll repeat this until I've fried all my pancakes. Now it's time to make the berry syrup or jam in my case. You're going to start by adding your water and then your sugar and cornstarch. I added a little bit too much cornstarch, so that's why my syrup turned into more of a jam when it's set. But if you want to make more of a syrup texture, just add less cornstarch. I will have more specific measurements down below. Then you're going to add your berries of choice. You can use frozen or fresh. I used a mix of both. You're just going to whisk that around until it starts to form into the consistency you want. I didn't want my berries too chunky, so I ended up mashing them with a fork. When it's done, it should look something like this. Now it's time for the mixed berry drink. So I'll start by adding my vodka. You can use regular vodka or berry vodka. I'm gonna add Sprite, my grenadine, and some ice cubes that I made with berries and lime. I'm going to add some more fruit, give that a good mix, and just a lime on the side, and that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and also comment and subscribe. If you're looking for some inspiration, advice, or a good laugh, don't forget to check out Flourishing Everyday's channel. Link will be down below. Until next time!